Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Mexican IP address. You will see it's very easy. This is useful if you want to simulate a connection from Mexico, whatever the reason may be. So, there is a simple trick to get an IP address in Mexico. First, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This would mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you get a Mexican IP address? As you can see here, my current IP address locates me in France. I am currently not in Mexico. What I'm going to do now is replace my French IP address with a Mexican IP address using ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. I select Mexico in the list of countries. As you can see, there are plenty of other countries available, including the US, Canada, Spain, Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and so on. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. I double-click on Mexico. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Mexico. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in Mexico. As you saw, it's very easy. You just need to select Mexico in ExpressVPN, click a button, and that's it. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you are on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are quite similar to this one. ExpressVPN even works on smart TV. I personally use it on Android TV. As you saw, to get a Mexican IP address, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. ExpressVPN is the best VPN for Mexico. They provide their users with more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable, and fast VPN available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 5 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass geographic restrictions. ExpressVPN is not free. It's a paid VPN, but it costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to simulate a connection from Mexico by replacing your IP address with a Mexican IP address. All you need to do is to select Mexico in the list of countries and press this button. That's it. It is that simple. You will then have a Mexican IP address. Please note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact their customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition: make this request within 30 days after sign up, otherwise it would be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits. To bypass geographic restrictions, including censorship, browse and download anonymously, protect your privacy, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. None of them will allow you to get a Mexican IP address. Free VPNs are also unsecure, slow, and don't provide good streaming quality. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to get a Mexican IP address. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. There are several other VPNs that allow you to get a Mexican IP address. CyberGhost VPN, for instance. CyberGhost is another high-quality VPN with over 7,700 servers in 91 countries, including Mexico, as you can see here. Let's give it a try. I turn ExpressVPN off. I select Mexico in CyberGhost. As you can see, there are plenty of other countries available. I press this button. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and done. I am now connected to the internet virtually from Mexico. Let's refresh this page again. And as you can see, the IP address has changed. The new IP address still locates me in Mexico. Just like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. Very effective to bypass geographic restrictions as well. So, if ExpressVPN is a bit too expensive for you, I recommend that you get CyberGhost instead, as it is more affordable. To sign up, visit vpn-cloud.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 82% discount and 3 months free, so just $2.29 per month with the 3-year plan. Great value for money. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to get a Mexican IP address no matter where you are in the world. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.